Wow. Hello guys, my name is Jolly and welcome to my YouTube channel. So yesterday I received a package, this one, and I wasn't really expecting any package to arrive yesterday, so I was quite surprised. And I just thought of doing an unboxing video with you guys. So can you hear that? Can you hear this? I'm really curious about what's inside this package. It's quite big. See? So let's try to open this. I have my cutter right here. This package was sent by Art Nebula PH. They are an online store in the Philippines, and they carry different brands of paint and different art materials. Okay, so there's still a box inside. Okay, almost done. Okay. Wow. Okay, so you might have seen this schminka. Okay. Wow. It's this one. It's the schminka advent calendar. I'm just so happy because I was supposed to buy this, but I decided not to because I got the Christmas edition of schminka. So I'm just so happy. Thank you so much, Art Nebula, for sending this. I really wasn't expecting any package. So thank you so much. Okay, let's try to read what's at the back of this. So this set has 24 colors, 23 of which are half pants, and they are the Academy variant, which is their student grade line. And then you also get one large pan of Horadam Aquarelle, which is their professional grade line. Okay, so I'm thinking of opening like all the doors here. I'm not sure if you're supposed to open just one per day, but I guess we'll try to open everything. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the first door, which is right here. Okay. Won't open. Okay. We got Naples yellow. Okay, so I'm going to put this back inside so that I won't forget. Okay, let's go to number 2. Right here. Okay, I got brilliant green. I'm not sure if it's focusing. Go to number 3. So let's try to pop the door. Okay. We have ultramarine right here. Okay, so door number 4 is Indian yellow. And then let's try to open door number 5. This is really exciting. Okay, I'm not sure if all the sets have the same colors per like per door, or if it's random. So here I got permanent green. So if you are planning to get one and you don't want to know yet what's inside the doors, I suggest that you skip this video because I'm gonna open a few more doors here, okay? So let's move on to number 6. Okay, I got yellow ochre. Let's open number 7. Okay, I'm gonna be an expert in opening these doors after this video. I got, this is Prussian blue. Okay, let's go to number 8. Okay, we got burnt umber. Number 9 is, okay, we have got one of my favorite colors, indigo. Number 10, orange. So I thought of skipping the other doors and moving on to the last door, which I think has a large pan. And if you want to know what's inside, if you want it to be a surprise for you, do feel free to skip this video. So let's try to open it now. Okay, what's inside? Oh, so it's yellow gold. I was hoping that it was pink for my florals, but it's yellow. It's also good enough. It says here that it's a special edition, so I'm not sure if this is like a limited edition color. So I did a research, and the yellow gold is, I think it's a metallic paint. So I'm just gonna try to swatch this in a separate video next time. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing video. I'm gonna do a separate video for swatching all the colors in this set so you can see the colors included. If you haven't subscribed to my video, please do hit the button now and like this video. That's it guys, thank you so much. Bye!